Hey guys, joke. Hey guys, so for today's video, I will be showing you how I made this Pennywise inspired or Pennywise makeup look. So if you really want to know how I made this makeup look, then please do continue watching. So, first would be our foundation. So, ang foundation na gagamitin ko is the Sassy Lady Foundation in the shade 02 Fair. So, this foundation is two shades lighter than my skin tone. Okay. Then let us move on to our concealer. So for my concealer, I will also be using this Sassy Lady Pro Concealer in the shade 01. So ang ika-concealer ko is dito sa ilong, and then my under eyes. Okay, so before we move on to all the powdery stuff, let me just go ahead and put my contact lenses real quick, and I will be right back. Okay, so since I don't have that yellow golden colored contact lenses na ginamit dun kay Pennywise, I will just be using this red contact lenses that I have. So let us now move on to setting the powder in our face. So I'll be using this Nichido final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. Okay, so now let us move on to our kilay. For my kilay, I will be using this Sassy Lady Tinted Brow Gel in the shade brown black yata to. I don't know. So I will just pump a very small amount. So kilay time. I'll try to do outline. Okay, so now that we're done with our kilay, let us now move on to our eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using my Color Mates eyeshadow palette. Na-transfer ko dito kasi nahulog siya. So hindi ko na ma-identify kung ano shades to mga ginamit ko. Basta I used my Color Mates 12 Long Lasting Colors palette, if I remember it correctly. So sorry, but you can always use any red na eyeshadow that you have if you ever try to recreate this look. I'll be using this a little bit lighter na red, and it will be our transition color. So I'll just put it all over my lids. And then I'll just blend para walang harsh na edges. And now we will move on to the deeper red na color. Same din, doon din siya sa Color Mates na palette ko. That will put it from the center to the outer V. There you go. And lastly, with the same na palette, I'll be using the darkest or the black na shimmery color that they have, and I'll put it mainly on the outer V for just for a little bit of added na dimension. Okay, so I'll just do the lower lash using this flat brush right here. So I will start with the lighter red. And then the deeper red dito sa bottom, sa half lang, from gitna hanggang dun sa dulo. Okay, and then I will be using the black shimmery one, and I will put it as close as possible dun sa waterline ko. Then let us move on to eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'll be using this Sassy Lady waterproof eyeliner. I will also put a little bit dun sa bottom part. Okay, there you go. So after that, I'll be putting my eyelash extensions. Then I will also do the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm now done with both of my eyes. So we will now move on to our contour, just a little bit. So I'll be using this Sassy Lady Contour / Highlighter Palette. So ito siya. So I'll be using this shade. So konting-konti lang din ang ilalagay ko para magkaroon lang ng konting kulay yung mukha. Okay, so I will not be putting blush on, and then for my nose contour, I will be using the brown eyeshadow from my AB Advanced Uncover 2 palette. So I will be using this color right here. I will just put it in my fingers just a little bit. So ganito. Then I'll just blend it together. And then just like that. So I will just blend the harsh edges using my brush. So we'll now move on to our nose. So I will be using this Tupperware Vitamin E matte lipstick, and I will just draw a circle dito sa nose ko. And then papatungan ko siya nung deep red na eyeshadow from Color Mix. Okay, so for the center of my nose, I will be putting that lighter na red eyeshadow. So I'll put it on the center. And then after that, we will move on to our lips. So for my lips, I will be using the same Tupperware na lipstick para i-line siya sa aking lips. Okay, and then I'll be using this Sassy Lady liquid lips in the shade number 24 para i-fill in yung loob ng lips ko. Okay, so just to add a little bit more color, I'll be using that deep red color dun sa Color Mates palette, and I will just dab a little bit of it outline dun sa ating lips. So, konting-konti lang. Okay. So, now, for the fun part, I will be outlining na that Pennywise smile. So, I'll be using that little brush na ginamit ko panlagay ng lipstick and dito sa ilong at sa labi ko. So, very light. I will just sketch it out first and then I will be filling it with whatever color that I want to put in it. Okay. So, I guess pantay naman siya. So, now I'll be using again my Tupperware na lipstick and then I'll just darken up the lines. Okay. So, before pa siya kumalat, isaset ko na muna siya using that deep red na eyeshadow. Whew. Okay. So, let us now move on to the other eye. I will just do it real quick off cam and I will be right back. Okay, so I am now done drawing both sides. So just to add a little bit more of color, I'll be using this small brush right here. And then I'll be using that black shadow from my Color Mates palette. Then I'll just put a little bit more of black in the middle. Okay, so maglalagay ako ng sobrang konti lang. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to connect our lips with these lines right here. So I will just draw, or I will just extend my lips and then the other one. Okay, so I will just set it with my eyeshadow, the deep red eyeshadow from Color Mates. Okay, so we are now pretty much done. Isa na lang, one last step remaining, and that is highlight. So for my highlight, I'll be using this Liquid Glow highlighter in the shade 01 from Sassy Lady. So I'll just put konti lang and then I'll just use my blending sponge. Okay, and then the other side. And then sa bridge ng nose ko. And then on the tip of my nose. Okay, so I am done with my makeup. I will just go and fix my hair, look for an outfit na siguro pabagay, but I don't think I have any na pwedeng bumagay, but I'll do my best. I will be right. Okay, so here is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you learned something. And I hope you will try and recreate this Pennywise look. This is one of the requests from my Facebook friends. I posted in my timeline and tagged a few of my Facebook friends asking them that if I'm going to make a makeup look, what would it be? And I also told them that the most challenging yung uunahin ko. So, Pennywise for me is the most challenging because he is one of the clowns that I am really scared of. I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like him. I really, really don't like him. So, yeah, shout out to Ate Darin for suggesting this look. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good day. You have a blessed day. God bless you. Take care always. See you next time.